Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with today's tutorial. So introducing the stationery, it's a Staedtler pencil, Doms eraser and a Posca pen for the outline. And today I'll be using the Faber-Castell pencil colors. The links for all the material is provided in the video description. You can just go and check them. So today we are making very easy drawing. We are making a bridge. So I'll start with the pencil drawing. So first I am making a sleeping line. Below that I'll draw another sleeping line and adding one more sleeping line here to make the curve of the bridge. So I have added the sleeping line to make sure that the curve starts and ends at the same point. So making a curve and just doubling it with another curved line. Now I am starting with the outline, so I am making some curves here which will go till the sleeping line and then joining it with the sleeping line to show the bushes. And now I am again adding the curved lines on the other side and joining it below. I am making bushes on the sides of the bridge, so they are just the curved lines. Just look at the lines carefully. We are just making small curves till the bridge part, till the top of the bridge. Just making the curved lines below as well. Now making a division for the bushes. I am just making the curved lines in different directions. See them carefully and do it. Another way you can make the bushes is like first you can draw the lines with the pencil. Just draw the lines the way you want the bushes to be. And around these lines we can just give the curves. So I am just adding the curves around the pencil line that I have drawn. Now I am outlining the sleeping line below and adding few ripples as I'll be showing the water here. So just adding few more lines for the waves to show the volume there and outlining the curve of the bridge. Outlining the another curved line. So this drawing is very easy to do. Just follow the lines carefully and you'll be able to make the bridge. So just adding few more standing lines there. And we'll add more lines here in the curve of the bridge. So here we are almost done with the drawing. If you have found this drawing very helpful, then you can just like and subscribe to my channel for more such drawings, and also you can let me know your views about this drawing in the comment section. And if you want me to draw anything specific, then also you can just put a comment of it. I'll make it for you in the next tutorial. Now we are coloring it with the Faber-Castell pencil. So it's a light blue color in the sky. I'm just coloring it in one direction and not leaving any spaces. Just follow this pattern to get the smooth coloring in your drawing. And the product links are provided in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself. I hope this video will help you to draw bridge in a very easy way. Just like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. And also you can share it with your friends. So we are done with today's drawing. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.